Assalamu alaikum, this is Tariq, and first of all thank you all for supporting me and for subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Now let's get started. These, ye, but this is all, this meaning is ye, these meaning ye. What is the difference between this and these? As as similar meaning as in English. These, ye for this ye is only for uh, two or more things. Like how can we recognize? I will tell you later. But it's Urdu ye, okay? Ye, the same Urdu as this, okay? Ye, those, wo, un. There are two Urdu, wo, un, wo, un. These are also for one or more, two or more things, okay? If you are talking about two or more things, so you have to use those for wo and un, okay? Because wo are also for that use, that, that, also meaning in Urdu wo, but that one is only for one and this one is only for two or three things, okay? Now I can explain you what is the, how can you recognize these are for two or more things. The last word, look at the last Urdu word, hain, hain. It's for one, two or more thing, two or more people or two or more thing. So these are books, ये किताबें हैं, किताबें, books, किताबें, are हैं refer to two or more things for ये, okay? ये किताबें हैं, ये किताबें हैं, ये किताबें हैं. These are not books. ये किताबें नहीं हैं, ये किताबें नहीं हैं, ये किताबें नहीं हैं. What are these? फिर ये क्या है? ये क्या हैं? ये क्या हैं? ये क्या हैं? Are these books? क्या ये किताबें हैं? क्या ये किताबें हैं? क्या ये किताबें हैं? Those are pencils. वो पेंसिलें हैं, वो पेंसिलें हैं. Those are not pencils. वो पेंसिलें नहीं हैं, वो पेंसिलें नहीं हैं. Are those pencils? क्या वो पेंसिलें हैं? क्या वो पेंसिलें हैं? What are those? वो क्या हैं? वो क्या हैं? This was our lesson 17. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Before you go, please like my video, subscribe my channel, and tell me which is your which sentence do you like in this video, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.